Okay guys, welcome to my daughter's bedroom. Let's start over here in this little corner. I love these hooks. I always have hooks like this in my kids' room because it's so practical. It's easy to hang things, you know, like the bathrobe in her case, her purse, her little apron. Just anything that needs to be hung just to keep it off the floor. It's always good to have, you know, little hooks like this on the wall to hang things. Over here we have these night lights that I've had forever. I think I've had them for a good 5 years and they still work. It's incredible because I haven't even changed the light bulb. And I leave those night lights on overnight, usually just one of them. And they're great. They're from IKEA. And over here is her kitchen set. Her little area where she plays pretend kitchen. You know, my daughter is 11. She's still, she's young. She, you know, my daughter has Down syndrome, so her mentality is still that of a very young girl. So she still likes to play pretend, you know, with her dolls and her brother. And this is her little kitchen area. This little table, like I have the same one in my son's room. I got those at Hobby Lobby. I think they're great because number one, they're very inexpensive and they're great for them to do artwork, homework, play pretend, anything like that. It's always good to have a little desk or a little, you know, table with chairs in the kids' room so they can sit down and play. And obviously this morning she was playing pretend with her little kitchen stuff. I had this really nice and clean yesterday because I knew I was going to film this video today. But obviously she woke up and started playing and messing things up for me. But over here I have this little kitchen area that I put together for her with these little baskets. You know, just to keep everything nice and organized, but yet also look nice for her to be able to play with and, you know, maintain her things nicely. This is all obviously her little kitchen play area. She plays pretend. The kitchen is from Kids Craft. A lot of the stuff that we have here is from a company called Kids Craft, and I love their toys because it's like really nicely made, great quality. It's made out of wood. For instance, this little toaster oven, it's cute because it comes with this little, with the little pretend bread. She obviously made a breakfast toast with what looks like waffle, a tomato, and an onion. She made, oh, it's a pancake and a waffle in between 2 slices of toast. That's cute. But you can put the little, you know, toast inside the little toaster oven, and you know, she plays pretend and she has fun. She likes all this stuff. And this is also from Kids Craft. This is a little cake. I don't know where this piece is. But yeah, most of these toys are from Kids Craft. Some of them are gift, like these little, you know, plastic ones are, you know, from just different stores. And I like for her to put all her stuff away in these little baskets that I put in the wall. The baskets are from Hobby Lobby. I love shopping at Hobby Lobby because it keeps, you find things that allow you to organize your space. And I found these baskets there, which are nice because they're nice and white and they match with her area, along with these little shelves right here. I also found those at Hobby Lobby. I have these little containers for her. I don't really know where the containers are from. I think they're from like Tuesday Morning. Like this one's real glass. These are like real, you know, containers that I put in her room so she can store her stuff in. Like all of these are just utensils, you know, so she can keep all her utensils organized in this little area. And that's also from, I think the container is from Tuesday Morning. And this little heart right here I found at Hobby Lobby, which is really cute. It is battery operated, so I just leave the batteries here and I put it on for her at night. The little banner is from Hobby Lobby as well, along with the entire display of her gallery wall, except for these 2 pink shelves right there. Those are from Target. The rest of the artwork is from Hobby Lobby. So that little frame as well is from Hobby Lobby. And this is her little kitchen pretend area. The little rug is also from Hobby Lobby, along with that basket in the back. I like to find things that are inexpensive. I don't like to spend a lot of money on, especially if it's stuff that has to do for the kids, because you know they outgrow this stuff. This stuff is not going to be around forever. So you know, I am big at shopping at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Home Goods, places like that, because I think it's great for organization for the kids. You know, it's practical and the things are made very well. So over here we have her, basically her bedroom area. This lamp is from Pottery Barn Kids. Most of her furniture is from Pottery Barn Kids, but I am gonna do a search on the stuff that I found for her, where you can find stuff that are very, very similar for very affordable, very cheap, online, because I have seen stuff that looks similar to what she has, but for a lot less. These are things that we bought when she was really young. So she's had this pretty much forever, like that lamp right there she's had pretty much since she was born. Over here she's got her little armoire. Wait a minute, what is this called? Armoire. Yeah. With little drawers. It's a mirror. In there I just store some books for her, because she's got also the same bookshelf, and I'm sorry that it looks pretty dark right here because those windows are open. She's got the same bookshelf that I have for my son. Let me go over here so you guys can see it. So basically over here we have her armoire with this little light box that says wake up and be awesome, and the little frame in the back is also from Hobby Lobby. I think it says though she be but little, she is fierce. I'm really short, so it's hard for me to reach, but it's really cute. So over here I have her closet. I'm gonna just give you guys a quick peek, because her closet, obviously I keep locked with a key because she will destroy everything. It is messy, so I apologize. It is a mess. This is where I store all her toys, because if I leave all these toys out, she will have a field day and make a big mess for me. So all her little, like, you know, costumes and princess dresses are all, you know, tucked away back here, like costumes that she's been throughout the year. I like to keep them, along with like all these little princess dresses. She has a ton of princess dresses, but I have to keep them away because she can be very messy. So she's got, I don't know, this red container right here has nothing but Barbies. She has so many toys, and again, if I don't keep them in here, she will make a mess. So I have to keep them locked up and allow her to play with things little by little, because she's not super neat. She can be neat sometimes, but when there's too many toys, I have to keep them locked up. And I still have to organize that closet. So over here I have her little Christmas tree that I'm still working on. It looks a little sad. It's a little pink Christmas tree with little ornaments that we've collected throughout the year. I still need to put the star on top. So over here she's got the same teddy bear my son has from Costco with some plush toys. I think these little plush toys are the that ice cream one. Those are from, what are those toys called? The Shopkins toys. They're Shopkins. They're these little stuffed toys. They have all kinds of little toys, but the Shopkin ice cream thing is from Michael's. And this is just a little pillow that she uses for her back when we read. Over here we have the same bookshelf that my son has, along with all her books that, you know, we like to read. These little dolls that are up there, Penny and Olivia, those two, the owls, and these other two dolls, those are from Pottery Barn Kids, but I know you could find dolls like that pretty much anywhere. Oh, for instance, these two are from Target, and they're the same style. These cute little, you know, these little dolls that are made of cloth, which I love. These are from Target. I don't know where she's from, but pretty much her whole entire like bedding, she makes her bed. That's why it doesn't look perfect, but you know, I allow her to do it because she does a good job for herself. The bedding is from Target. It has little unicorns, unicorn along with the little unicorn here, and this has gold stars. So it's really cute. You know, she loves it. She also has a banner back there, the same one as the one over there. She has it back there too. So the artwork on top is an artwork that she did at school, and I loved it so much I had it framed. It's really pretty. It's made of all like tissue paper and scrunched up paper. It's so pretty. Over here she has her little nightstand with a little lamp. That lamp is also from Target. A cute little table. Over here she has a little closet that she keeps all her doll clothes. You maintain, and has little hangers and stuff like that where she could keep all her shoes and all her doll clothes. And that lipstick Shopkin is from Michaels. Over here is her Barbie doll house, the Barbie doll townhouse, and obviously the Barbie doll townhouse is completely bare because, again, I have to keep this stuff away for a while. If she's not playing with certain toys, I have to keep them away, and that's a good tip that I can give to moms. If it's something she isn't playing with at the moment, keep the toys away, put away, because it's so easy to create a mess. You know, right now she's into the kitchen set, so she's not playing with a lot of her Barbies, so I keep everything away, even the furniture that goes inside, because eventually it will be all over the place. This little unicorn on the wall is from Target. It's adorable. I love that little unicorn. Over here is my actual birth certificate. You know, this was a birth certificate that was given obviously to my mom when I was born. It's so cute because it's so vintage. This is what I love about it. It's like vintage, classic, you know, cartoons. And I had it framed and put in her room. So she has a little piece of mom's her birth certificate in her room. So over here is her dresser with her TV. And over here she has just a little stroller with one of her baby dolls. I hope you guys enjoyed videos like this. Let me know if you guys have a certain idea that you do in your kids' room. Something that you guys might want to share with me. Let me know down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.